Alright, Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Your name?
Zainab.
Which class?
1C.
Alright, let's start again. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Should I keep running the water?
No,
Why not?
because Allah doesn't like waste.
Of course, mashallah. So, what do we do first?
We wash our
Hand. Can you show us how? Good job. Good, mashallah. Yep. Excellent, mashallah. Second time. Third time. Mashallah. And then, what is next?
wash our nose.
Rinse our mouth.
Yeah.
Yes. Good job. How many times?
3.
Preferably 3 times. It's sunnah to do it 3 times. MashaAllah. And then
And then wash our nose.
nose. Please show me how. With what? With our left hand fingers, we can clean inside the nose. Blow. Elena, did you forget to show the nose? You did. Oh, all right. So the nose. Yes. Yes, 3 times. If you need to blow the nose, make sure they're clean. Okay? And then? Right.
And then we wash our elbow.
Yes, please.
8.
Right. 1. Yeah. So how do we do that again? All the way up here. And then bring it back. Yes. And 2. Second time. Yes, do it. Above as well, see? So this way. So we are taking the water, everyone watching me? Taking the water over here, running the water. We are cleaning here and at the back as well. So back and front, right? Like this. Look at me. So running the water,
Back and
back, and then we go front as well. Good job. Beautiful, mashallah. Now, left hand. Yes. Yeah, for your left hand. Yeah, round the water, back and front. Good job. Yes, second time. Yes, thank you. Yeah. And third time, mashallah. Good job. And then wiping the head. Alright? It's okay, you can keep your scarf on, it's fine. Good job, mashallah. Done, just once is fine. Now your feet, including your ankle, right? Your ankle, no. Yeah. Right foot first. You want to do the right foot first? Good job. Yeah. Yeah, so you are actually making sure you're not just wiping your feet, you are washing your feet, right? So not just wiping, you are pouring the water. You're running the water on. Yeah, good job, mashallah. Next one, 3 times. Second time. And third time, mashallah. What do we say now? MashaAllah. Everyone? MashaAllah. Very well done. Thank you so much. Alright, now Allahumma barik lana.